The Karmapa quoted Dolpopa Sherab Gyalwang. In all my lifetimes, may I shoulder the great burden of the teaching. Even if I cannot bear that, may I at least have the worry that the teachings might decline. After a COVID-19 enforced hiatus, the Kagyu Gunchoe, the winter Dharma gathering for monks, in Turgar Monastery, Bodhgaya, is able to unfold once again with renewed exuberance. Located in Bihar, with the peaceful environment and beautiful surroundings, the Turgar Monastery comes to life as Kagyu Gunchoe participants pour in. From 10 of the Kagyu monastic colleges based in Nepal, India, and Bhutan. Within the Kagyu Monlam's expansive gardens and vast area, groups of monks sit or stroll immersed in discussion. One might feel as if transported to a great ancient monastic college such as Nland or Vikramala. The impression shifts slightly upon approaching the temple's lively shrine hall, where debating voices echo demonstratively. One can't escape a feeling of deep gratitude for such an extraordinary revival of ancient wisdom. Then, in order for this great event to take place, the monks of Palpung Sherabaling Monastery have been working tirelessly so that the entire program flows seamlessly, like clockwork. Cooking, distributing meals in a spacious dining hall. Accommodation in beautiful tents, debates, and all other parts of life unfold with ease so that true wisdom may flourish. Groupings. In previous gunchoes, competitive debates were always held between teams representing each of the different monasteries. However, this can actually lead to rivalry and partisanship, so there is a danger of it doing more harm than good. Consequently, it was decided to adopt a different approach from last year. Instead of competitors representing their own monasteries in debates, the teams will comprise monks drawn from different monasteries. Mixed and grouped according to their levels and debating subjects. Scoring. In past years, the scoring was done by judges, scholars invited from the four main lineages of Tibetan Buddhism. On one hand, that was very good, but on the other hand, scholars from other traditions do not necessarily know the Kagyu tradition and texts. And therefore it is difficult for them to follow Kagyu debating or assess whether the monks are getting the points right or not. So this year the debates will be judged by Khenpos drawn from the different Kagyu Shedras, who will be assigned to judge different topics according to their expertise. His Holiness expressed his hopes for the Gunchoe to be fruitful and noted that at the conclusion, there would be a session for the students to share their opinions. In these days of degenerate times, fewer people are becoming monastics to begin with, he said. For this reason, it is crucial for senior monks and Khenpos to remain in their monasteries. Take good care of the students and have good intentions in looking after them. Often not an easy task, as it would sometimes be necessary to give up some of their own hopes in order to do this.
However, the Karmapa urged the Khenpos and senior monks to continue doing this.
CHOJE